Today I'm thrilled to share my new and old beauty products with you. I've got some amazing skincare and makeup I can't wait to talk about. Stay until the end and I will tell you about our exciting new things and specials at the Woodhouse Day Spas for the holiday season. Hello beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe and give this video a thumbs up as it helps me and my channel to grow here on YouTube. First up, let's talk about an old favorite, the SkinCeuticals Floretin CF. I've been using this for quite some time now and it has completely transformed my skin. It's packed with antioxidants and helps to brighten and even out my complexion. It's a must-have for anyone looking to boost their skin's radiance. This product prevents aging, and anyone who wants to keep their youthful look should invest into a good vitamin C product. I already applied this product before. I love how lightweight it feels and it absorbs so quickly into the skin. Next, new product is Petox. It's a sample. I use it every morning on my skin before I apply makeup because it gives me that beautiful radiance. It also helps with your wrinkles, so I apply it on the areas of wrinkles first and then I distribute it throughout the face. Don't forget your neck and décolleté area when you apply. Do you see this radiance? If you're interested to purchase any SkinCeuticals product, we carry a full line at my Woodhouse Spas locations. And stay until the end, I will tell you about amazing specials on SkinCeuticals and Babor. Next, I've been loving the Babor Collagen Cream Rich. This is my old favorite. This is such a luxurious treat for my skin. It's super hydrating and has really helped to plump up my skin, making it feel soft and supple. If you're looking for a rich moisturizer, I highly recommend this one. If you're interested to purchase any Babor, you can stop by at the Woodhouse Day Spas, or I will provide a link in the description and the first comment. You can see my hand after application. This is with the application and this is without. This is more supple and hydrated. Next one, let's talk about Qure Micro needling system. This has been a game changer for me. Micro needling at home has improved my skin texture and reduced the appearance of wrinkles. Just a few minutes once every 2 weeks, and I'm seeing amazing results. I made a detailed video on how to use this system that you can watch here. If you are interested to purchase this product, I will provide a link in the description and first comment, and if you purchase it now, there is a huge discount before the holiday. Next one is a microcurrent zip halo device. This little gadget is fantastic for lifting and toning. It's like workout for your face. I love using it before special events for that extra glow. I made a full video on this device that you can watch here. You can purchase it through the link in the comments in the description to this video. Let's move on to makeup. First, I've got the Elastin Tinted SPF. This is a game changer again for those no makeup days. It provides sun protection while giving the right amount of coverage. It's lightweight and perfect for everyday use. It has pretty good coverage actually. And if you did not hear my story of how I was going through Berlin airport and I was late because there was horrendous traffic and they took away all of my makeup and skincare because I was late and I wasn't able to check in my bag on time. So I had to go with my big bag through security and they took everything. And I had Elastin in there, so I had to purchase new one. And I lost about $1,000 worth of product. So don't be late when you go to the airport. That's my lesson. Next, Victoria Beckham makeup. I really like makeup from Victoria Beckham. I have a number of Kajal or Kajal pencils. I will show you different colors and I'll apply one of these. So the old one that I had previously, and I already made the video, it's the sea gray color. And then I purchased 3 more just because I couldn't decide which color is best. And I think when you buy 3, you can get a good deal on their website. To tell you why I like Victoria Beckham, on top of the products being beautiful, I think the packaging, how they sent it to you with a thank you card, it just looks so beautiful. Last time I bought a lot of products and I had to return a few because I didn't like them. So they told me to keep them. So I have 4 of these pencils. Let's just try them on the hand first so you can see different colors. This one is called Orchard. So a little bit of purplish. And purple is actually in this season. Next one is my old favorite. It's the sea gray. So it's this gray with sheen color. I have cinnamon next. And the next one is smoky quartz. I think this one is a little bit greenish. Let's see. Can you see? So I'm going to apply this one just because I think it will look great with my hazel eyes that have a little bit of green in them. And then there is another side here that you can use to smudge. You can actually apply this pencil all over your eyelid, or you can do a pencil around your eyes. So I'll just do a pencil, a line. So for everyday use, you don't need anything else. Seriously, you don't need eyeshadows. Just do this. And if you don't have hooded eyes like I do, you can have a line going up. I have trouble doing that. I watched many videos where makeup artists show how to take the line to the side with the hooded eyelids, and it just doesn't work for me because I have a really big hood. I'm sure it's possible. If you know how to do it easy, comment below. Good thing about Victoria Beckham, they send you eye sharpener with each pencil that you order. So you order 3 pencils, they'll send you 3. I'm not going to open. I have these opened and I have a bunch of these. So they sent me 3 just now. I think it's a good touch. I don't need 3, but if it's a gift, I can gift it, 1 pencil and a sharpener to somebody. So this is how it looks. I'm going to smudge a little bit. And I think having an eye pencil around your eyes just opens your eyes and your eyes look bigger. So for every day, it's great. If you are going out or something, you can apply this color all over. It applies very beautifully and easy to apply. You can smudge it and you will have a nice eyeshadow out of this pencil. So which color is your favorite? This is, I've had this before. This is the blush. And the color is, it's this peach color and it's easy to apply. It blends beautifully. Sometimes you get like a pink one and it's just too much. This one I think is a perfect color. It will work great for different skin colors. And I just apply with my hands. Next one is a lip pencil. This I've had before. The color is 05. So this is a great neutral color. You can wear it with any lip color. You can wear it with browns, with peaches, with pinks. This is the pencil that I originally didn't like. I thought it wasn't creamy enough. So this is the pencil they told me not to keep and not to pay for. But I actually got to love it. Sometimes when you have a pencil that is more creamy, you can't make an outline as straight as you would like. This one actually works great. So I changed my mind about it. These are 2 new lip products that I got. This is the balm. So if you don't want to have a lot of color, it looks red in here, but it actually doesn't give you much color, just a little bit of pink on your lips. I'm going to show you this lipstick. It's called, the color is Posh. I think it works just great with this pencil. And see how the packaging and the tubes are so well made. Look at this, beautiful. And this is the color. You know, sometimes you apply the lip product and it dries your lips. This one is very creamy and hydrating. I seriously like it. And last but not least is my most favorite mascara. I talked about it a lot. It's from Tartelette, tubing mascara. This one is in black. I have one in brown. If you go on TikTok, you can actually buy it at a really good deal. And I think this mascara makes your lashes thicker and longer. It stays well on your eyelashes. And it's easy to remove. For me, if you have a mascara that you have to remove like for 2 hours, that's not something that I want to deal with. First of all, when you do that, your eyelashes fall out. This one is so easy. You just need to wet it. You don't even need to have a product. And it just comes off. So don't go swimming in it. And if you apply second coat, it's going to look even longer. And here we go. How does it look? And like I promised, here are all the exciting things going on at the Woodhouse Day Spas of Montclair and Hoboken in December 2024. Until December 31st, you can buy more and save more on my favorite product lines, Babor and SkinCeuticals. Buy 2 products, get 10% off, 3 products, 15% off. 4 products, 20% off, and 5+ products, 25% off. Don't miss out, stock up on your favorite product. Starting December 4th through December 24th, we will be offering free luxurious blanket with the gift card purchase of $500 or more in the spas only, so stop by. That makes a beautiful gift. What else is new? We have a new advanced facial called Glacial Glide. This is an anti-aging facial using cryogenic technology and helps with aging caused by inflammation. You will see results with any redness, hyperpigmentation, rosacea, acne skin, and lines and wrinkles. So do call and book this appointment now. Next, we have a new add-on to any service from Nasco Skin. You can add Nasco facial, neck or hand mask to any of your treatments. The benefits include repair, firming, anti-aging, lifting, hydrating, plumping, and depuffing. We also sell this mask for use at home, and they make a beautiful gift. They are chemical and paraben-free, cruelty-free, hypoallergenic, natural, and biodegradable. Next, we have a new add-on for scalp and hair treatment. It is from Maya Chia and can be added to any of the massages. We use a gua sha tool to massage a powerful, advanced multi-correctional scalp and hair treatment into your scalp. This treatment helps with the growth of thicker, denser, and stronger hair. It also gives you a beautiful volume and is not greasy at all. You can also purchase this product for use at home. So those are my new and old beauty products. I hope you found some new favorites to try out. If you have any questions about the products or want to share your favorites, leave a comment down below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more beauty content, as this helps to grow me on YouTube.